This is your celebration.
DJ Jeopardy in the mix.
Nabe-pressure tuloy, mami eh.
In celebration. This is your celebration.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
This is your celebration. There's a party going on right here. A celebration.
Wag kang umuwi ng Pasko. Sigurado, laspag ka dyan.
Hindi ka makarating, pero kami naman in cash or in kind.
We're just here to give you something. And I would like to call Ate Tess.
Sisip ko na po
Dahil na.
Re-receive ba ako? Hindi mo sinabi. Lagyan pa naman ako.
I'm sorry. The entire Miranda family would just like to give you something. And in behalf of the Miranda family, I will be reading something. Okay, this certificate, this plaque of appreciation is presented to Mr. and Mrs. Coco and Annalisa, talagang binuo Annalisa Sarnate, owners of Ana de Coco Resort, yes, plug yun, flex, in heartfelt gratitude for your warm generosity and hospitality. We, of course, with our pasimuno, Maria Teresa and family, along with the entire Miranda family. Thank you for the clap. Deeply appreciate how you welcomed and accommodated us at the Ana de Coco Resort. Your kindness and the serene haven you've created made our family reunion truly unforgettable. Thank you for sharing your beautiful space and making us feel home. With sincere appreciation, Maria Teresa and family, and the entire Miranda family! Ikaw ang mabigay. Practice mo to pag nagka-reunion na talaga tayo. Okay? Yan. Alright. Yay! Oh, speech!
Tayo.
Okay. Speech.
Thank you for this Best Actress Award. Ako ninakilig yung movie namin dalawa. Parang Love Team of the Year.
Alam mo ba yun? Yes. Ano yan?
Thank you.
Thank you rin po. Salamat po talaga.
Salamat. Thank you. Wala po bang award ng Best Actor?
Oh, my God. Oh, speech with the best actor. May yan ka ng personality.
Seriously, seriously. Ganun na. Thank you for coming over. Very special event. Thank you, that's all.
Ayan! Alam na ang karakter sa ating susunod na reunion. Pero thank you po talaga for taking time. Yay!
Ano? Sa aming music room.
Yeah, thank you po talaga. So, ulitin. Naiulit pa.
Gusto niyong breakfast?
Ate, dinner pa lang. Breakfast na ba inisip natin?
Oo, dapat ano.
Ay, ganon.
Sinong inupan yan?
Regalo sa...
What's your pleasure? What's your pleasure?
Sunday morning, up with the lark. I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones who died. Toast to the ones that we lost in the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back, yeah. There were times that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believe in forever, and it's gonna stay the same. And now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day, yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, yeah, yeah. Everything will be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones who died. Toast to the ones that we lost in the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back, yeah. Do, 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 do.